something wrong, Koko?
No, I'm okay.
Bumpers, where is everybody? Why are you going so slow? A minute ago, you couldn't go fast enough.
I'm just being careful.
Koko, are you afraid of derailing again?
Koko?
Oh, I want to go faster. I really do. I just can't seem to.
How about we all go at your speed?
Really? You'd do that for me?
Of course.
What's a friends for?
You can do this.
Oh, looks like I'm the slow coach now.
You? That's not the Koko I know.
You're not gonna let a little tumble slow you down, are you?
I guess not.
Okay then, let's ride the rail!
Oh, Brewster, Wilson, steady. This is where it happened.
Oh, don't worry.
We made it!
Of course we did. Don't forget who you are.
You're Koko!
We did it! Woohoo!
2 deliveries down.
1 to go.
But very little time. Better hurry, Chuggers. That ship has to leave soon.
Mamma mia! Are you ever gonna make this last delivery in time?
Don't worry, Frostini. We will.
I'm counting on you. Everyone knows when you want a job done fast, you call on Koko.
Fastest chugger in town. Nothing slows me down. Let's do this. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Go, Koko. Stop! That bend's coming up. You should finish this delivery without me.
But we'll help you, like before.
There's no time. Just take my car and go.
But Koko...
Please, Brewster, you need to hurry.
Okay then.
We'll be back soon.
So what should we do first, Brewster?
I'm not sure. I don't usually do hero stuff. That's why I need Action Chugger. Being a hero is his thing. Wait, what is that up there in the sky? Is there a bird or a plane? Could it be?
It's a bird.
Hey, what's that noise?
Look, it's a little monkey.
Honking horns. It looks like his tail is stuck in that tree.
What should we do?
Oh, I wish Action Chugger were here. He would know.
But the monkey's scared.
Okay, you keep the monkey calm and I'll be right back. Just keep talking to him.
Hi, Mr. Monkey. You must have all sorts of animal friends in the safari park. I love animals. I'll tell you all my favourites. I love giraffes with their funny long necks. And elephants, especially when they go... And my 20th favourite is probably cheetahs. Or maybe zebras, but it's not black and white.
Have no fear, Brewster is here. Okay, we'll just put this crane here, Mr. Monkey. With a little jiggle and a wiggle. There, you're free.
You did it again, Brewster. You really are a hero.
It was all in a day's work for me. Just me.
That's right. It was just you who saved the monkey.
Yeah, but Action Chugger can fly. He wouldn't even need a crane. That's why he's a real hero.
Like bolts of lightning, Koko and Hanzo zoom around the track. Who will win? And it's a photo finish! Amazing! Awesome! We now return to the adventures of the Lone Locomotive. The Lone Locomotive remains trapped on the old rickety Bridge of Doom. His his wheels tied to the tracks, he hears the bridge begin to creak. Rocks begin to fall. The wooden beams snap. And then, from the nearby tunnel, he hears a laugh. It's the sinister Dr. Steam Engine. Dun, dun, dun.
I haven't had this much fun in years, Wallace.
Look, it's Wilson. I love Radio Chuggington.
I'm your biggest fan.
No, I am. I am. Great radio show, Wilson.
Where are you all going?
To the ride-in. They're showing a new action chugger movie.
Yeah, it's going to be amazing.
But aren't you going to listen to my show?
No. I mean, we will later, after the movie, because we love your show. It's great, super great, but it's Action Chugger, and he's super, super great.
You can do more Radio Chuggington tomorrow. A movie sounds like fun tonight.
It doesn't matter. I'll still do my show. I just need to find a story so good that everyone will stop watching the movie and listen to me. Got to find a story. Got to find a story.
And they need you there right away.
Okay, V, I'm leaving now.
Mutombo! Mutombo!
I'm sorry, Wilson. I have no time to talk. A rhino has escaped the safari park and they need my help.
That sounds like a great story.
Not really. She did not get far. We'll have her back in no time. It won't be very exciting.
You forget. I'm the best radio host in Chuggington. I make everything exciting. Hey, time for Safari Ranger Wilson to feed you. What did Mutombo say again? Who gets what? I'll just give it my best guess. Hello, monkeys. Here are your delicious leaves. Hey, giraffes! Come and get your tasty peanuts. Bananas all for you, Ebo. Not hungry, huh? I'll get you some more water. Be right back. Your pool's ready to play in. Ebo? He must have escaped. Huh? Ebo? Whoa! Stop that! Not running loose. I need help!
It feels so good to be clean. That can't be Wilson. I must have soap in my eyes.
Magnifico! This could be my new job.
The chug wash. Oh, fun.
I'll be your first customer.
Go, Wilson. Go, Wilson.
Ah, just like mixing flavors in the factory. Instead of chocolate, we add water. Instead of cherries, we add bubbles. Water, bubbles, water, bubbles. Water, bubbles.
That tickles.
More brushes, more.
Frostini, I think Wilson's soapy enough.
Ah, yes. Now it's time for the tasty toppings. No sprinkles, but I have the brushes. More brushes. Faster, faster. Avanti.
Please. Make it stop. Frostini!
Fermati. Stop.
I never thought laughing could be so tiring.
Sorry, Wilson. I don't know what came over me. This is going to be harder than I thought.
It's okay, Frostini. We're here to help.
Maybe you should try something else.
See, let's do that. The show must roll on. Fantastico. Brewster will teach me how to load cargo. You love it, no?
I do love it. Just climb up to the top and you can control the drop and load crane. Now smooth and steady. You need to take it easy, Frostini. Okay. A little to the left. A little more. No, my left. Now drop the crate down.
Drop it, you say?
Look out!
Perhaps also this is not my true calling. Will I ever find a new love?
Of course you will. There are lots of other jobs in Chuggington.
That's right, little helpers. We shall not stop until we find my new passion. Uh-oh.
Frostini!
Sorry!
Oops.
No matter what Frostini does, ice cream will always be his true love. Mio amore.
Arriving at the ice cream factory. With a trainload of excited guests. Hey!
Hey, Frostini.
We're ready to try the new flavour.
See, of course.
Oh, we can't wait to dig in.
Koko, buffer beat. Oh, hurry up.
Once you have the tap in place, watch the delicious maple goodness flow.
There's got to be a faster way.
I'll be right back with the mayor.
Not yet, Emery. The ice cream is not ready. I'm waiting for the ingredients. This is a disaster. People are here to taste my favoloso new flavor, but I don't have it yet. Emery, can you distract them for me?
Well, I do know a few jokes. Special announcement! Why did the ice cream cone carry an umbrella?
I don't know, why did the ice cream cone carry an umbrella?
Because there was a chance of sprinkles.
Nice one.
Do you know where Frostini learned to make ice cream? In Sunday school.
Oh.
It's working. Keep it up.
Emery, the mayor's waiting to be picked up. Wheels to the rails, please.
OK, V. I'll be right there. I gotta go. Sorry.
Oh, where are they? How many crickety clacks do they need?
You sure about this?
Trust me, this will make it a lot faster.
Rattling rivets! Your ways are a lot quicker. Seems like nobody has any use for me old-fashioned ways anymore.
Tell me, my little ice cream cone, how do you make a milkshake?
You put a cow in the freezer. Can we, try the new flavour now?
Preparing to drop off the mayor.
No, Frostini's not ready.
Hello, Frostini. I am so honored and excited to taste your new flavor.
See, it is very exciting.
I'm sure I'll love it. I may even give it my seal of approval. There's nothing to be nervous about, Frostini. I always adore your ice cream.
You don't understand. The great Frostini is not so great today. I have no new flavor for you after all.
What? There's not going to be a new flavour? Oh, no!
I'm sorry to hear that. Maybe we can taste it another time.
This chugger is leaving.
Brewster, you've got some containers to fetch from the docks.
Check.
On it.
And Wilson, you're on banana duty.
Banana duty?
You'll be dropping off a load of bananas for the monkeys at the safari park.
Banana duty.
Better take off my rosette. I don't want anything to happen to it. I'll put it here to keep it safe. Go, Koko! Go, Koko!
I bet that rosette would look perfecto against my red paint. Wowzers. I'm sure Koko wouldn't mind if I just borrow it for a little bit. I mean, I'll put it back soon. Woohoo! Look at me, I'm rolling strong and rolling proud. I feel like singing right out loud. No wonder I have the biggest smile. I feel like I went the extra mile. Look at this rosette, bright and blue. It goes to the chugger who really came through. I feel like a winner, like I've done something great. I feel like a winner, like I've got what it takes. I know everyone's noticing me and I'm happy as can be. I feel like a winner, and this feeling is great. This is my hour to shine, and I'm loving every minute, even though I didn't really win it. I feel like a winner, like I've done something great. I feel like a winner, like I've got what it takes. I know everyone's noticing me, and I'm happy as can be. I feel like a winner, and this feeling is great.
Huh? That's weird. Brewster, have you seen my rosette?
Oh no, did you lose it?
I know I left it on my door.
I'm sure it's around here somewhere. I'll help you look.
Thanks, Brewster, but I don't have time. I have to pick up some passengers now.
I'll search for it while you're gone. Detective Brewster is on the case.
La 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 la.
Hey Wilson, have you seen Coco's rosette anywhere?
Me? Well, I might have kind of, sort of borrowed it. But I'll give it right back. Oh no! Problemo! Big problemo!
What are you doing?
Coco's rosette! It's missing!
Honking horns!
I've got to find it before Koko gets back. Brewster, will you help me?
Of course! Detective Brewster is on the case. Again.
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.